Masturbation is a natural and common behavior for many people. There are several reasons why individuals may engage in this activity, including, please don't miss to subscribe on our YouTube channel, AFRIMEDIA Rwanda, and join membership.
Welcome to AFRIMEDIA Rwanda, where we bring you the stories, sights, and sounds that make Rwanda extraordinary.
Masturbation is a natural and common behavior for many people. There are several reasons why individuals may engage in this activity, including, please don't miss to subscribe on our YouTube channel, AFRIMEDIA Rwanda, and join membership. 1. Pleasure and stress. Relief. Masturbation stimulates the release of endorphins and dopamine, chemicals in the brain that promote feelings of pleasure and relaxation. It can be a way to reduce stress or unwind. 2. Exploration of sexuality. It allows individuals to explore their bodies, understand their sexual preferences, and learn what feels good to them without a partner. 3. Safe sexual outlet. Masturbation is a safe way to express sexual feelings without the risks associated with sexual intercourse, such as pregnancy or sexually transmitted infections, STIs. 4th, hormonal and emotional factors. Natural hormonal fluctuations, especially during puberty, can lead to increased sexual desire, which some people satisfy through masturbation. 5. Improved sleep. The release of hormones after orgasm can help people relax and may improve sleep quality. 6. Health benefits. Some studies suggest that masturbation can improve pelvic floor muscle strength, enhance mood, and even lower the risk of certain medical conditions, like prostate cancer in men. 7. Availability and privacy. Unlike partnered sexual activities, masturbation can be done privately and on one's own terms, making it more accessible. It's important to note that masturbation is a personal choice, and attitudes toward it can vary based on cultural, religious, or personal beliefs. As long as it's done in moderation and doesn't interfere with daily life or relationships, it is generally considered a healthy and normal part of human sexuality. Sure, here's a detailed explanation of each point to help you stop masturbation. 1. Identify triggers. Understanding what prompts your urges, such as certain situations, emotions, or materials, allows you to avoid or manage these stimuli. Keeping a journal can help track your observations. 2. Engage in physical activity. Regular exercise not only boosts physical health, but also releases endorphins that enhance mood. Activities like running, swimming, or team sports provide a productive outlet for energy and stress. 3. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being present in the moment and accepting your thoughts without judgment. Techniques like meditation or deep breathing can help you observe urges without acting on them, increasing self-regulation over time. 4. Develop new hobbies. Finding hobbies that capture your interest can provide a positive distraction. This could include art, music, volunteering, or learning new skills, anything that absorbs your focus and keeps you engaged. 5. Limit internet and media exposure. Reducing time spent on online platforms or viewing content that precipitates sexual thoughts can help mitigate urges. Consider using website blockers or setting specific times for internet use. 6. Set goals. Establish personal goals in various areas of life, career, health, relationships, to create a sense of purpose and achievement. This focus can shift your energy away from sexual thoughts. 7. Seek professional help. Speaking with a therapist or counselor can provide structured support tailored to your circumstances. They can help identify underlying issues or patterns and offer coping strategies. 8. Join support groups. Connecting with others who share similar goals can provide encouragement. Sharing experiences and strategies can foster a sense of community and accountability. 9. Create a routine. Establishing a daily schedule with structured activities can minimize downtime that may lead to urges. Incorporate work, hobbies, social events, and relaxation techniques into your routine. 10. Avoid isolation. Spending time with friends and family helps lessen feelings of loneliness or boredom. Engaging socially can distract you and reinforce positive connections. 11th. Practice gratitude. Shifting focus to positive aspects of your life helps improve mood and satisfaction, reducing the likelihood of turning to masturbation for emotional relief. Keep a gratitude journal to maintain this perspective. 12. Use affirmations. Reinforcing your commitment with positive affirmations empowers you. Examples include, I am in control of my choices, or I respect my body and mind. Repeat these regularly to build a positive mindset. 13. Engage in breath control exercises. When the urge hits, practicing deep breathing exercises can help calm your mind and body. Inhale deeply for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale for a count of 4 to reduce anxiety. 14. Limit alcohol and substances. Alcohol and other substances can weaken your resolve, making it harder to resist urges. Minimizing or avoiding these can help keep your decision-making processes sharp. 15. Evaluate and adjust your environment. Creating a supportive living space means identifying and removing temptation. This might involve rearranging your room, discarding items that trigger thoughts, or ensuring privacy during vulnerable moments. By elaborating on each point, you can understand how to implement these strategies effectively to help manage urges and foster healthier behaviors. Thanks for watching our video, and make sure you are subscriber and join membership. Please and like and comment. Can follow on TikTok,